Ways to make $1 million. Making $1 million is something that may seem impossible. However, with the right strategy, anyone can do it. It requires a lot of hard work and dedication. A good place to start is to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Once you know it, begin to research the best ways to bring in money, and set realistic goals that will get you closer to the target. Let's discuss it. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Invest in real estate. Real estate is one of the most lucrative investments available. This can be the key to riches. With proper planning, research, and commitment, it is possible to make $1 million with real estate investments. However, it is important to understand the risks involved, and to ensure that the return on investment will be worth the effort. Number 2. Start a business. Starting a business is a great way to make $1 million. It's an exciting endeavor that has the potential to bring a permanent change in your life. The process involves understanding the legal requirements and necessary paperwork, getting adequate financing, and understanding the unique needs and concerns of your particular industry. Number 3. Stocks and investments. For those looking to make their fortunes, stocks and investments can be a great way to do it. Investing in the market can be a lucrative option, with many people becoming millionaires in the process. However, it takes skill and knowledge to make the right investments, and even the most experienced investor can still lose money. That's why it's important to do your research and understand how the stock market works, before investing any of your hard-earned money. Number 4. Start a side hustle. Making money is often a challenge, and many people are looking for unique solutions to do it. One interesting option is to create a side hustle, with the goal of ultimately making $1 million. This involves creating an innovative service that solves a problem. There are a variety of ways to start such a venture, and the goal of making $1 million can be within reach, with the right strategy. Number 5. Do freelance. Many people have been asking the question, can freelancing really make you a millionaire? The answer is yes, with the right combination of time, dedication, and strategy. For some freelancers, the journey to financial freedom has been swift and rewarding. No matter what path you choose, there is potential for success when you study methods that are in demand, and work for yourself. Number 6. Start a blog. Starting a blog can be incredibly rewarding. Many people have made a good living through blogging, and some have even made millions of dollars. The trick is to identify the right strategy, then figure out how to successfully execute it. A successful blog requires you to think strategically, and take consistent action. Number 7. Learn a high-income skill. Learning a high-income skill can be a great way to create a life of financial freedom. A successful career in a lucrative industry can open many doors, giving you the opportunity to make $1 million. With the right combination of education, experience, and hard work, anyone can become a highly skilled professional. The key to achieving this level of success is to have a clear goal in mind, and to be willing to put in the effort to reach it. Number 8. Build a large email list. Building an email list is one of the most efficient and cost-effective ways to make $1 million. A large email list can mean the difference between success and failure. With an email list, you can reach hundreds or thousands of contacts with just one click, thus, increasing brand recognition and creating an avenue for lead generation. Email lists also allow you to segment contacts into different groups, enabling you to target specific audiences, for products or services. But it takes more than simply collecting addresses. It requires finding a way to turn those emails into paying customers. Also crafting content that resonates with readers and making sure that list is engaged. It also takes the right strategy for email automation, and a shrewd eye for analytics. Number 9. Dropshipping. Dropshipping has become an increasingly popular way to make millions online, and for a good reason. With the ability to make money without ever having to touch a product, or even leave your house, dropshipping is a great way to supplement your income. With its low startup costs and virtually no risk, dropshipping can be an incredibly lucrative business opportunity. It's becoming increasingly easier to get started with dropshipping, and with a little bit of research and the right tools, anyone can be successful with it. Number 10. Own a home in a thriving city. Owning a home in an up-and-coming, or established city, can be a great way to invest your money. Not only can you build equity, but you can also benefit from potential appreciation and increased property value. When looking for a new home, it is important to research the city and neighborhood, to understand the local market and trends. Additionally, it is important to consider what amenities are nearby, and what the overall atmosphere of the neighborhood will be like. Interested in starting a business to create wealth? Click the business link in our description box below. Number 11. Website flipping. Website flipping has become an increasingly popular way to make money online. It has the potential to offer enormous returns for those who put in the time and effort to do it correctly. There are successful website flippers making hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars due to the unique skills they bring to the table. Number 12. Sell on Amazon or eBay. Selling on Amazon or eBay can be a great way to make a lot of money. But it's important to know the ins and outs of successful selling in order to truly succeed. Understanding the business model, researching the market, setting up an efficient system, and advertising appropriately, are all key components to making your selling venture successful. Taking the time to strategize your approach, and learning from experienced sellers, can be the difference between making $1 million, or ending up with few sales. Number 13. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most lucrative ways to make money online. It has the potential to turn a small investment into $1 million business. With affiliate marketing, you can earn commissions from selling products or services from other companies. You don't need to have your own website or store. Yet, it allows you to make passive income from the comfort of your living room. Number 14. An e-commerce business. Starting an online business can be a great way to become your own boss and earn a living in a very competitive industry. It can be an incredibly rewarding experience to be able to create your business, set your own hours, and have a product or service that customers can rely on. With the right strategies and guidance, it is possible to make $1 million from an e-commerce business. Number 15. Create a product or service. Creating a successful product or service can be incredibly rewarding and satisfying, especially when it is able to reach millions of people. It is possible to turn an idea into a successful venture that brings in significant income. By taking the time to understand the market, customer base, and industry, entrepreneurs can find ways to create unique products and services that set them apart from the competition. Creating something truly valuable, and then being able to share it with the world, is an amazing opportunity. Number 16. Write an ebook. Writing an ebook can make you a millionaire, but that doesn't mean it's easy. To write a successful ebook, you must have a vision, set goals, and create an outline of what you want to write about. You must also be sure to research the topic you are writing about, so that your readers can trust your information. Finally, you should ensure that your writing is free of errors and typos by running it through a spell checker, and having a professional editor review it. Number 17. Have a growth mindset. Having a growth mindset is a key factor in making $1 million. People with a growth mindset understand that success comes from learning, self-improvement, and hard work. They believe in their limitless potential, and aren't afraid to take risks to reach their goals. Number 18. Take action. It's true that taking action is the surefire way to getting what you want. You may have heard it said that if you want something you have to go out and get it. But in order to be successful, it's important to understand that taking the right action will be the deciding factor in achieving the results you desire. This is especially relevant when it comes to making millions of dollars. Number 19. Start budgeting. Managing your finances is the foundation for a secure and prosperous future. Budgeting is a powerful way to ensure that your hard-earned money is used to its fullest potential. Setting a budget can help you prioritize what you need to buy and cut down on unnecessary expenses, so you can save money. With careful budgeting, you can use your savings to invest in things that will help you reach big financial goals and make $1 million. Number 20. Hire people. Hiring people to do work for you can make you $1 million. It's an investment that requires careful consideration, as you need to make sure you're getting the right people for the job. This allows you to leverage time and energy to create more opportunities and grow your business. Having a team of talented, motivated people will help you get the job done quickly and efficiently, allowing you to focus on the bigger picture. This is why it's important to be aware of the types of people you're hiring, and how they will fit into your organization. When done correctly, this process can give you the most bang for your buck. With these ideas, we hope you realize that making $1 million isn't nearly as difficult as it may have seemed. In fact, with the right strategies in place, it can be a relatively simple process. With discipline, dedication, and a few smart decisions, you can begin your journey towards becoming a millionaire. Before you start, it's important to understand the basics of how money works, such as the importance of budgeting and different types of investments. Knowing the ins and outs of personal finance can help you reach your goal faster and more efficiently. Don't forget to visit our description link below. We recommend you watch these next 2 videos on wealth creating.